To add a paper card to your Apple Wallet, the process is quite straightforward. First, open your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet, and you will be presented with a screen that includes a plus icon at the top, which you need to click on. This action will lead you to a new screen where you must select the debit or credit card option. After making this selection, click on the Continue button. At this point, you have the option to either hold your card near your iPhone, allowing it to automatically enter your card details, or you can choose to enter the details manually by clicking on the Enter Card Details Manually button located at the bottom of your screen. If you opt for manual entry, you will need to input your name, card number, card expiry date, and security code. Once you have filled in all the required information, click Next, and your card will be successfully added to your Apple Pay. This simple step-by-step process makes it easy to integrate your paper card into your digital wallet.